Hello everyone, Sam is here again from my forex making this quick video as I didn't make a video for YouTube for a long time. Very busy doing my webinars, live webinars, and not having enough time for the YouTube video. Anyway, just a little recap, last few days, what has happened. This is one of those old charts that I have, pound USD. This one is old, February 5th, and we were hitting this trend line, rising trend line, and I thought maybe this is going to be like a triangle finishing here, and then we will bounce. But I have an idea that the market will always do the opposite, whatever you're thinking. So let me turn this here off. All right. And I also wrote here that if we break this tail and goes below 56, then we will see hello to 53 first. And as of yesterday, we went below 53, in fact 52, and maybe below 51, right? Anticipating that also, I had this chart here. See, this is what happened yesterday, I guess, right? These two numbers, even they were breached. I was hoping that they might hold, but we went below 51. Anyway, so while we were going down, I thought this is going to be some sort of a bad pattern that we are shooting for around like 53.85, something like in that area. And at the time we were around 54.30 area. So I found a short opportunity, and based on this figure that I made, I have all these harmonic pattern charts made, and this is what I also teach in my webinars, how to trade them, first trade, second trade, third trade, and it's coming very, very handy, very precise. So based on that, I found this entry on the February 20. You see this? We were going down where we were 54.30 area, somewhere there. See that here? And I was expecting a little more drop to 53.80 area or maybe below, and that's what happens. So took this entry nice and clean based on all these analysis, and this is also what I teach in my webinar. And after that, this is what happened, right? And even we went below this low of 52.66. So now another pattern that I was teaching in my last webinar is AB is equal to CD pattern. This is how it is usually, A, B, C, this big capital C, and then it goes, D 100% or 127 or 1.618, or it will go up here and then drop back down to create this point D and make a harmonic pattern called Gertley. Okay, so this point, actually, this small c is very, very important. And this is also I teach in my webinar how to pinpoint these points and watch them for a turn, and whichever way they go, we get in using our Magic Wave strategy. So we found a setup. I found a setup, and this is a picture that I took. That okay, if it is this X, A, B, and then C point is here, and then we can go up, for a point D, for a bearish Gertley, or we can use yellow count A, B, C, D. A, B is equal to C, D here, either way. So at this point, I was watching it very closely, and we didn't bother. The price didn't bother going up, and it's starting to break this low here, and then starting to come down. So obviously, with all this mumbo jumbo already in place, the short was the preferable if we find the entry. And yes, of course, I found the entries, like these two nice little entries. Right after that, the C point was right around here, and using Magic Wave strategy, bang, right? Very nice and clean. This is the Euro USD, and this was my chart, daily chart, with Elliott wave counts on it. Okay, I do different studies. Trend line channel support and resistance is one, and the other one is the harmonic patterns, and the third one is Elliott wave strategy, analysis and strategy. So these are the counts, and I was hoping that wave 4 should be ending somewhere here, or maybe we'll just bounce from this high, okay, and go up, or could have gone below this and then come down to this rising TL or the support here. Is A, the point A is very significant, right? A, B, C, that's a big area, and it was, I think, 3166 something. So nice and clean. We were coming down, starting in. We didn't go above this, and market was right after the FOMC, especially. Market started tanking, and what happened? This is what happened on February 20, 15-minute chart. Nice, beautiful entry. Took me all the way down. So these are the trades and opportunities, and now we are here. See, the price came down nice and clean and hit this trend line and this channel right in between. Basically, the price came down to this to hit this area, right? The high of wave A, 3167. 3166 we made the low, and now we are up 3209 already. Okay, so slowly we are going up, and if we don't break this area, then definitely we're going back up to test the high, which is 37 something, whatever. Okay, so this is forget about that. And this is euro yen. When euro USD and pound yen, they all were coming down. I don't have the analysis chart for this one. I had it, but I forgot to add it in here. But yeah, February 20, nice and clean. These look at these entries. I mean, beautiful, beautiful by the book. No hanky panky, straight. My fishing hook, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, and a lot of pivots. And this is another one on February 21st, pound yen. Actually, yen, what happened is that yen was getting weaker and weaker, and I don't have the chart for the yen index, but single currency yen index, if you look at it on a weekly chart, it went up all the way and hit the channel trend line and start dropping. So when the yen index start dropping, means yen start getting strong. Okay, with the yen getting strong, all the yen crosses go down because yen is on the right hand side. Euro yen, pound yen, franc yen, you know what I'm saying? So now, right now, yen index is coming off the highs after hitting the trend line on a weekly chart, and on a weekly chart you're talking about several hundred points, right? Little reaction is that big, so that's why all these yen crosses are coming down. So this is a little of this, little of that, and that's about it. So watch out for this, and also let me show you, give you one more hint, maybe. I don't know. Let's see if I have it here somewhere, and that way you will know exactly. Let me see if in Kiwi chart I sent out yesterday to all the people. Which chart? Oh, okay, right, this one. See, this is telling that in my webinar I mentioned that we're gonna drop. We were here, so we're gonna drop a little bit down to 88.6, and then probably this is what's gonna be the route. So we are having a little bounce, so let's see how far we go. I didn't trade it, but it's the pattern was there. Well, I hardly trade the Kiwi. I don't like it much. What I want to show you is the Frankie is the one need to be watching, and Euro Yen as well. Let me show it to you. I think it was a 4-hour chart. Yes, Euro Yen. This is the final picture of Euro Yen. I don't know if it's going to continue going up. We have to clear this area, and then probably going to go up. Okay, and if not, then we'll just drop down. So London Open, we're going to watch out. Whichever way it goes, we go with it using our strategy. I'm pretty good, have a very good feeling about this pair. Let me show you. I don't know why. This one, okay. So if we hold this blue sloping TL right here, we are hit and we got stopped here. So we will be coming down back to this low, or maybe lower than that, 89.50. Okay, so watch out for this, for short entry tonight. And there's a lot of other setting up, other charts like USD and pound, especially pound. What pound is doing? Pound is also. Let me see. Okay, this is what pound is doing on daily chart. And weekly is this. Okay, this is the TL here holding right now. We're going up. So if you're going to go back inside this TL and go up, or what, time will tell. Okay, especially the London Open, we will see whichever way we go. Okay, so this is it for now, and hopefully I'll be making some new videos faster than before. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day.